Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful sunny day here in New Hampshire, and the goal for today is to get these 3 raised beds filled. There's one behind me and then 2 over there. So I finished up building those super early this morning, and now I'm gonna hop in the tractor, get the first one filled, move the others into position, and then get them filled as well. There she be. The seat's gonna be hot. Anyone who's ever left a tractor outside with the seat down in the sun knows exactly what I'm talking about.
We finished the garden beds today, so official finishing gives us 2 squash plants, so zucchinis and squash. Also in the center is kale, broccoli rabe, spinach, and on the ends is cauliflower. Then in this bed we have all of our lettuce varieties as well as all of our sweet peppers. The small bed has strawberries. These 2 melon plants are going in our front garden to go wild. Then we've got all of our tomato varieties in this bed here. This far bed has 2 cucumbers in it, and then it's going to have a bunch of peas, and that will have a lattice all the way across it for those. And then in here was okra and peas, not peas, string beans. And then the far one is Swiss chard, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. And then probably gonna do some corn along the back fence here. And that's it. It's a wrap.